Alright guys, today we're checking out EPCOT after lockdown, following the new guidelines. So I do think the cast members are doing a great job of keeping everyone safe, sanitized. They are enforcing the mask rule very heavily here, as they should. So it does give you a little confidence to come here, even though there are a lot of people here. So take that into consideration. So the line is only 5 minutes.
Yes, I can see them. See who?
After you exit the ride, it leads you into an aquarium where they have a bunch of different fish. They used to have a play area here, but obviously, you know, due to COVID, you can't be playing with each other. It's important to take advantage of the rides that people don't gravitate towards first when they get into the park, so you can actually take your time, relax, feel a little more socially distanced. It's actually nice to come into an air-conditioned room and take a break because it is so hot outside. So this is new. I've never walked into Mexico and had to line up before. So I guess in order for crowd control, because they know this is a very popular country. And sanitize. Don't forget to sanitize and wear your mask. So they do have these plexiglass set up as further protection to keep you guys safe. And now we're off to ride another ride. And see, as you can see here, they set up more plexiglass in between lines so that if there is a chance of waiting, at least you're doing it protected. I think it's so beautiful that you can actually have dinner here at the San Angelo. And then as you look out, you get to see Aztec ruins, and we get to watch you eat. So, you know, it's a show for both of us. Extremely socially distanced, and I approve. Well, you already know. Gotta get the sanitation going. There also are a few little shops here in Mexico, but we're gonna keep venturing on. We walked in and we had no line for Mexico, and now there's an actual line for Mexico. So get to the park early. That's another tip for you guys. Definitely get to the park early. And as always, there is a very, very long line for the Frozen ride. It actually wraps around the entire pavilion.
Why not, right?
Yes. Why not? Thank you. Not a bad view to enjoy. My Selbach Ulster Riesling. And then we got a Pilsner with a name that I would butcher if I tried to pronounce it, so we're not going to try to pronounce it. Cheers. And always remember to get water, because I have not drank any water today, it feels like. Especially walking around with the masks, because you cannot walk and drink. You must be stationary when you drink. So definitely remember to take a break, sit down at the designated areas, and have a drink. Best store on all Disney property. There's no contest, none whatsoever. Honestly, they have everything in this store. I tried the curry cup noodles when I was in Japan from 7-Eleven, and it was honestly the best thing I've ever tried in my life. So I'm very excited that I got some more, because they are only from Japan. So since we're in the Japan pavilion, they have specialized snacks that they import that you can only get here. It wouldn't be a normal trip to Disney if I didn't purchase something. So at the Japan Pavilion, I did purchase some Calbee chips. If you watched my Japan vlogs, you saw that I actually went to the Calbee store in Harajuku. If not, I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. But these chips are amazing. They're nice and crispy, crunchy, full of flavor. Japanese snacks are honestly like the best. Then I also got the original flavor, and they actually have pieces of veggie in it. So you know you're being healthy while snacking, I guess. That's what I tell myself at least. As I mentioned, I got a curry. I got 2 curries actually. And then while I was paying, the lady actually said that this is one of her favorites. So you know it's good if she recommends it herself. And then the last 2 items that I got in my random Japan haul is this face wash. It's actually really good, great for removing makeup, and it's very gentle, and it's peach scented, so that's a plus. And then I got these incense that are cones, and they're a variety of different scents. And Japan actually has great incense, so I'm excited for everything I bought today. Now, back to the vlog. I always stop by Guideline in Paris to, you know, smell the smells and see all the new products, but no, they're closed. And this is the area where the new Ratatouille ride will open. I'm very excited to see it. I rode the Ratatouille ride in France, and it was a really cool trackless ride, and it was interactive. So I'm excited to see what this Ratatouille here at EPCOT is going to look like after I've seen the one in France. So I do feel very safe as I'm traveling around the park. Everyone's keeping their distance, masks are highly enforced. There are team members everywhere with either sanitation or making sure that guidelines are being met. So trust me, every corner of this park is definitely being monitored, but that's a good thing because we all want to be safe and have more fun. They even have designated exit and entrance onlys to certain stores and restaurants. So there are definitely new guidelines that you need to follow. So the test track line is different now. You can't customize your own car, and you are spaced out in between people. But I feel like it keeps the line moving a little faster, honestly. I kind of prefer it.
The vehicle at all times.
We are the
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad.
So we are completely by ourselves in our test track car. Just me. And look, nobody. So you do feel safe. You get your own car. It makes you wait a little bit longer, but that much safety is important when it comes to a theme park.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to...
Wow, I love test track. It's so fun. Wow. Wow. Alright guys, we just got off a test track. I've never ridden test track by myself, like with just like the party that I was with. It was honestly so fun. It felt so new and like different just being by yourself. And the line said it was 50 minutes and we honestly breezed by in maybe 30. So don't be intimidated if the wait time is super long, because they might just be putting that up there to discourage everyone else to go. Good night, beautiful. All right, guys, that's it for the vlog today. I hope you enjoyed exploring EPCOT with me. I hope I was able to give you guys some tips, some tricks, even just a first-hand view of what the park is like now after lockdown. Hit the subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.